Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Evangelist and welcome to our new YouTube channel. And we are very happy to introduce you to the Github Codespace. It's one of the best features available on GitHub. If you don't know about GitHub, we'll definitely give you an intro, but we'll not create a comprehensive video on this. But if you want to check out the comprehensive video, do let us know in the comment section. But before we jump in right into the code space, we'll just take you through the code GitHub, what it is. So definitely nothing better than the Wikipedia to let you know what GitHub is. It's just internet hosting providing for your projects and related to software development and to give you the edge control of your versions and give you the lot more features that's around it. It's the parent company is the Microsoft adopted recently, and the CEO is the Netflix, and the company has been founded for the last 13 years, and the employees there are like 1,700. So it's all of them are definitely a Microsoft employee now. So yeah, basically it's a Microsoft company. Um, yeah, let's right dive into the code space that what we actually here for to listen. And so if you don't know the code space gives you an instant development environment. So basically not to install the Visual Studio IDEs or a lot of different programming IDs that you generally install on your local system, and it's really hard to keep all those softwares installed, updated every time when you do something, right? So you can use the code space and host your projects on GitHub and get the code space access in. You can immediately start using just based on your web browsers, isn't it? And what are those web browsers? So it's not better than the others. It's a Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Sure, and these all web browsers support the code space, so definitely you can keep updating your web browsers rather than installing any new softwares and updating them. So these are all web browsers you can use, and definitely more web browsers. That's just not having a layer, but yeah, do check out, just double cross check that your web browser supports the code space or not, and it will give you a simplified edge workflow by automating the setting of the dependencies and the security keys. So definitely not more hassles to figuring out from where the dependencies that you want to set up, and also the add-ons. And without this, definitely could completely work. So the add-ons are there already, but developed by a lot of different developers on the cloud. So definitely, this some of them could be definitely you're gonna using in future, and to check out those websites available to you. And as I said, you can develop it from anywhere, anywhere, in any possible ways. It's got two tones, white and black, dark theme and white theme. Generally, I prefer black theme, but for now, and it's okay. I'm not doing the coding right now, so yeah, I'll make it right. So yeah, as I said, you can access it from anywhere, any hardware piece that you use, mobile, tablet, laptop, or any desktop, or any cafe that you are sitting on, and using a smartphone. Or you might be bored, as just if you want to just fix some bugs, you can do it immediately without opening your system, and log into your local drive and all those stuff. A lot of haptics will be resolved very quickly, and you can have a lot of dependencies installed. So sign up for the beta if you can get, and do let me know in the comment section if you have the early access as well, because I haven't. I'm in the list and waiting to get the early access as well. I'm in the list, but because I haven't got the access, I want to try this feature out myself. But yeah, do let me know if you use this out, and if you have subscribed it now, then you definitely get it ready. All the links will be provided in the description box. And yeah, but before we jump into the more about this, I think let's hear what Microsoft expert has to say on this. Let's just hear from them directly.
So, code spaces, that's the buzzword in the Visual Studio land these days, right?
Yeah,
So, yeah. So, can you tell us more about what that is? Because I've been hearing it everywhere.
absolutely. Yeah, Codespaces is a really cool new offering that we have through GitHub and through the tooling there that allows us to create and manage cloud-powered environments from anywhere and access it from anywhere. And so the cool part about Codespaces and GitHub Codespaces is that we have the ability to connect to a code space from many different clients. And when I say clients, I mean you could connect from Visual Studio that's installed on your desktop, like I have pulled up on my screen, or you can connect through VS Code or even through the browser. So it allows you to have access to the power of a VM and through your whole integrated development environment, all set up for you with the simplicity of just cloning your repository. So it takes out a lot of the setup time that we've had before with getting environments configured and set up. Now you can just access it through a code space and get editing and running and debugging much faster.
Awesome.
Great. Thanks, Leslie. Thanks, Lex. Do definitely guys check it out and follow them on their Twitter handlers if you want to follow more about what's happening with the code space and really associated technology that they involve in. The link of this video will be provided in the comment box, so definitely check those out. Yeah, let's take a look about the code space. This document link, GitHub document link, will also be provided in the document section, so don't worry about this. So as Rick says that Codespace is online development environment. So yeah, you don't have to install the terminal, you don't have to talk about setting up your IDs, a lot of settings, that way to really support before we even start doing coding. So yeah, ignore those hassles now. Keep that aside. Focus on what you do, write a code, and get it done, the work that you're doing, right? So yeah, you can definitely check it out before I will recommend you to check out some of the details as this has, like how you can adopt this for your enterprise, how you can do a billing and payment, how you're writing on GitHub, how you're using comment managing your work on the GitHub as well, how this is going to be importing your project, how you can administer your repository, and how you can manage the security vulnerabilities as well as handling the large files as well. And to definitely go through in details, I would recommend you to join the beta as well. So don't forget about that. If you have the access to, let me know. I will definitely be willing to speak with you sometime. And if you are someone from Microsoft, do let me know. I'll be definitely be in touch to get the early access if possible. So that's it from our side, and I think this video will at least give you an essence of to know more about the online IDE that's gonna be help you in your future development. So this is for us for now, and do like the video if you have liked it out and if you have fun while watching it, and if you wanted to share with your friends, then definitely don't hesitate to share. Okay, don't think about that. So, nobody, people will gonna ask taught you that you learning all these things. Yeah, you are learning. Yeah, sure. That's what we do, and that's the evangelism. That's in ours. That's how it's work, isn't it? So yeah, do share with them, and if you have any comments, do post it on my YouTube channel, and we'll definitely address that out if possible. We'll definitely create a content for you as well. So thanks, guys. Hope for the best. Cheers.